What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today guys is the number 22nd day of our Make Money Online challenge. So this is a continuation of our 30 days Make Money Online challenge, where we try to make money on Clickbank starting from scratch without having to spend any money in paid traffic, and using or trying to do this only starting with 100% free traffic. So today is the 22nd day of our challenge, and I'm going to show you guys all I've been doing in the different accounts, social media accounts, to try and grow and get traffic to our affiliate offer, so that we can actually try and make a sale within the remaining of these 30 days right here. So what I'm going to do from is I'm just going to show you guys the social media accounts right here, show you how it's performing, and also the new account that I've created for us to try and get as much traffic as possible to try and make money before the end of this 30 days Make Money Online challenge. And I'm also going to go inside my accounts, and we're going to check if you have actually made any sale, and we're also going to check if we have gotten any traffic to our Clickbank account right here. I'm going to show you guys that inside the video. So first of all, I'm just going to show you guys right here from the TikTok accounts. You can see right here the TikTok accounts, you can see it's still growing steadily. So you can see the views are going up. So you can see right here some of them are getting 2 views, you can see some of them 6 views, but I'm posting consistently on this account, and you can see some of them get, for example, 11 views. You can see like in some other days you can see some 400 views, and some of them even get one video even got up to almost 2,000 views. So what I'm going to do, we're going to continue posting consistently on this account right here, because we're already getting clicks from this particular account. So it's just a matter of time for us to make sales, because we're always getting clicks from here. And all we are going to do, we're going to posting consistently until we get a video that's going to go viral on this particular account right here. So let's go right to the other side right here. Let me show you guys what is happening. So you can see right here, this is one of our Pinterest accounts. So one of the reasons why I focus right now on Pinterest is because you can actually go and get a lot of traffic faster from Pinterest than on any other social media accounts. For example, Instagram takes time for you to go and get a lot of traffic from it, but on Pinterest you can go and get started today, post a bunch of videos, and you can start getting traffic as soon as today, people clicking and going back to your affiliate offer. So you can see from here, this is our first account that we created from here. This is the first Pinterest account that we created. As you can see from here, I'm getting impressions and clicks every single day on this particular Pinterest account. So you can see from here right now we have gotten up to 1,500 and around 30 something impressions right now, and this is all 100% free traffic since we started this particular challenge. As you can see from here, the traffic is increasing, the impressions are increasing every single day. So as you're posting content every single day, that's how your impressions are increasing, and also your clicks are going to be increasing. So this particular account right here, this is the account right here, and you can see from here, if I refresh this, you're going to see that I've posted some more content on this particular page, so that we can go and get a lot more impressions and also get a lot more clicks. So you can see from here, I posted different videos from here, and you can see from here, as I showed you guys in the last video, I'm posting this type of content because I've noticed that this type of content actually gets a lot more clicks from people clicking and going back to my affiliate offer. Let me show you guys an example. For example, this one, let me click on starts. Let me wait for this to load. So you can see right here, this is the content I just posted a few days ago. As you can see from here, we have gotten 14 impressions on this. You can see right here, I've gotten 3 pin clicks. You can see one person visited our profile from this right here. I can see we already got 2 outbound clicks just from this, and this is just 14 impressions. So I've decided to be posting this type of images right here on my Pinterest account, so I can go and get a lot more clicks, because right now we are trying to get as much clicks as possible for people to go back to our affiliate offer and check out our offer. So I'm going to be posting this, and I'm also going to be mixing it with those before and after videos. So as I showed you guys in the last video, it's very easy to go and get this type of content. If you just search, for example, something like this, you are going to see that there's a lot of other related ones. You click on any of this one, it's going to suggest you a lot more other images that is already being created, and all you have to do is just go and save this, and you're going to mix this inside your Pinterest post, and it's going to help you to get a lot more people to click and go back to our affiliate offer. So you can see from here, this one is already getting us clicks. People are clicking from here, and that's why I've posted a lot more content just like this one, so that we're going to go and get a lot more clicks. So you can see, for example, this one pin from here that I just created, you can see right here it's getting a lot of impressions. You can see 700 impressions just on this one pin. I can see it's gotten up to 137 clicks right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be posting content consistently on this account, so that we're going to get as much clicks as possible and also hopefully make our first sale. So let's go right here. Let me show you guys the Pinterest, the Instagram accounts. You can see from here the Instagram accounts I'm still posting consistently. As you can see, Instagram is going to take a lot more time to pick up, but we're still getting traffic and we're still getting some few clicks from Instagram, so we're going to continue be posting here consistently. So this is the second Instagram account. As you can see from me, I'm still posting content consistently. Some of them are getting very low views, some of them are getting a lot more views. You can see, for example, right here, this one is getting, for example, 5 views, for example 71 views, and we are posting consistently. So the main aim of making money with free traffic is consistency. If you are going to quit early, you are not going to get any traffic and you're not going to make any money. But if you continue posting consistently and growing your social media accounts, you're going to start getting free traffic and you're going to start making money by the end of the journey. So let's go to the other accounts. Let me show you guys the other Pinterest accounts right here. So this is the second Pinterest account that we created. From here, as you can see, I've posted new contents from here. As you can see, I've also mixed with this type of content because I've noticed that this particular type of content get a lot more clicks, as I just explained you guys in the other account. So I posted that as well, and I've mixed it with other before and after weight loss videos right here. So let's go. Let me show you guys the next accounts right here. Let me just reduce this so you can also see, you can also go and check out the account yourself. So these are our other accounts right here that we created. So let me reload this. You can see that I've posted new contents on this, and I've also posted those images as well. So let me click on created. As you can see from here, I've posted different type of images from here, of contents from here, before and after weight loss videos, and I've been posting and adding also this type of images from here because it makes people curious to go and check out what the image is talking about. For example, you can see only 2 cups a day for a week for a complete flat stomach. So it's going to make people to be more curious, and many people are going to click on that to go and check what the offer is about, and most of them are going to go back to our affiliate offer. We're going to get a lot more clicks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be mixing weight loss videos and also this type of images from here. And you don't have to go and create any of these images. I did not create any of this. I just go and search on Pinterest, and you're going to find thousands of these type of images that's already been created. You can go and download them, and you can go and post it back on your own Pinterest accounts as well. As I show you guys, if I just click on this one, for example, you're going to see that there's a lot of other suggestions from here. You can see there's a lot of other images just like this one that's already been created on Pinterest that I can just go and save and repost them back on my own account. So I don't have to go and start from scratch and start creating this type of content right here. So it's already been done for me. So let's go to the other accounts right here. So these are other accounts. So there's the third accounts. There's the fourth accounts that we created. If I refresh from this, you're going to see that I'm doing the same style of content as well. I'm posting weight loss videos, and I'm also posting these images from here because the images are getting a lot more clicks. So you can see I've posted new videos on this particular account. So this is a new account that I just created today. You can see right here, I just created this account a few hours ago. As you can see, I'm posting the same style. I'm using, for example, before and after weight loss videos, and I'm also posting those images from here so that we can go and get a lot more clicks. So we have to create 7 more accounts. So right now it's remaining for me to go and create 6 more accounts by tomorrow, so that we're going to start getting a lot of traffic and hopefully make our first sale by the end of the remaining days of this 30 days challenge right here. So what we're going to do from here next is that I'm just going to go to my accounts, our Clickbank accounts, and we're going to check how much traffic we are getting right now and if we have actually made any sale in our Clickbank account. So let's go back to Clickbank. So let's go back right here and let's go to our dashboard, and let's see if you have gotten any sale or if you're still getting clicks. So consider here our Clickbank account is still 0. It's very normal because we're starting from scratch and we are using the only 100% free traffic. It's going to take time, but we are still going to make money if we continue posting on those social media accounts and keep growing them and keep getting clicks to our affiliate offer. So let's go right here to the reporting and let's see how much traffic we're getting. So let me just wait for this to load. I can see from here right now we have already gotten 4 clicks, and hopefully by the end of today we are going to be getting at least 15 plus to 20 plus clicks. So to make money with free traffic, all you're going to do is you're going to be posting consistently, and you're going to drive a lot of traffic, because paid traffic you can go and target, for example, someone that's already interested in losing weight, but with free traffic it's going to take a lot more time for you to go and make a sale with free traffic. But it's not impossible. I've done it myself, and I'm also getting sales myself with free traffic. So all for you to make money with free traffic is consistency to grow your social media accounts, get a lot of traffic, and then you are going to make sales completely free without having to spend any money. So let's check yesterday and let's see how much traffic we got yesterday. Let me click on apply. As you can see from here, yesterday we ended up having 14 clicks. So the main goal right now, as I tell you guys, is to be getting clicks. If you are getting clicks, it's just a matter of time for you to go and make money. So that's it, guys. So that's the update of today, and I'm going to update you guys on tomorrow, as I'm going to be creating a lot more Pinterest accounts so we can go and drive as much traffic as possible and hopefully make our first sale in the remaining days of this challenge right here. So that's, guys. So subscribe and leave a like on this video, because I'm going to be doing a lot more challenges after this particular video, after this particular challenge, in using paid traffic methods and also on different types of methods of making money online. So that's, guys. Take action and grow your social media accounts as well, so that you can start getting free traffic from there and sending it to your affiliate offer. So that's it, guys. I'm going to see you in the next video.